Yeah, okay, we can discuss about it. So all of you, before that, please sit down.
Thank you.
So now we are going to discuss about how the data visualization is applied in time series. Okay. So before that, so each and every cases we are applying design thinking based concept. Okay. So first one. So what is the first one? Five design thinking approaches. So first one, define. First one is empathy. Define. The next idea, prototype and testing. Then last one is, so what is the last one? Evaluate. Okay. So this is the 5 stages of design thinking. Okay. So based on this design thinking, we are going to solve the problem on time series and data visualization. So first we have to know about how the data is empathized. Okay. So empathy is nothing but we have to identify the problem. Okay. So here what is the problem? We need to find out the data visualization concept and how it is reflected in maps, in real-time Google Maps. Okay. So that is called as an empathy. Define is nothing but we are just providing our idea how we have to solve the problem. So which means we have to know the x and y axis coordinates. So likewise we have to collect what are the requirements we have to collect it. So that is called as a define. So ideate is nothing but so whatever the information we have collected from that we are going to project in one pattern. Okay. So that is called as an ideate. The next one is prototype and testing. So this is nothing but so whatever the concepts we are applied in this data visualization, like any Tableau tool or else any Power BI tool. So how it is working. So that will be before going to deployment we have to test it whether it is working properly or not. So that is considering as a prototype and testing. Then last one is evaluate. After finishing all the data project related project, we have to just moving on to that workplace. Okay. So this is the 5 stages of design thinking. So if you are looking at this problem in time series, we have to know about what are the basic requirements we have to identify. Okay. So what is the 3 major components? So first one is we have to use a predefined. Then next one is custom. What is the second one? We have to provide the custom coordinates. Third one is geographical representation. So predefined value is nothing but what are the values we are already defined in that flat file. For example, if you have collected the data from any Google or else in Star data, so that is considering as a predefined data. Okay. So from that, the time series totally applicable in that file or else it is not applicable in that. Okay. So maximum number of files is applicable for time series. Okay. So time series is nothing but so if you are calculating any particular time, so which means that interval time calculation. So that is called as a time series. Okay. So based on that, we are just identifying in the Google Maps. So and also we can apply the weather related conditions also, whether in that specific region, specific district or specific village, whether the rainfall is occurred or not. So that also applicable in the time series. Okay. So in which time, which period. So likewise we can split out the data and we can apply it over to the condition part. Okay. Then second one is a custom coordinates. So custom coordinates is nothing but if you are developing any one map means we have to we have to use both coordinates. So one is x coordinate and also y coordinate. For example, if I am providing 2 values of input 5, 6 means so 5 is represented in x coordinate and 6 is represented in y coordinate. Okay. So based on this value, if you are taking as a single value, it is not relate with any other value. Okay. So if you maintain, if you draw any one map means, so we have to use both values. Okay. So before that, we have to apply whether it is comes from that flat file. So that we have to ensure whether this data is correct data or not. Okay. So we have to check it out. The next third one is geographical value. For example, here I need to, if I am applicable, if I am applying that map like zoom, we are applying zoom that operation. Okay. So on that time, so what will be happen? The values will be moving from top to bottom or else bottom to top. Okay. So that is called as an